Good morning, students. In the previous video, we started with the trigonometry and we were trying to get the values for different angle. We already done with the 45 degrees and 60 degrees. And now let's go for the 30 degrees. Now, since we know about the 60 degrees, whereas this is triangle ABC and each side is A. And then we divided this triangle with the median. And we got this side as root 3 by 2a. This was done in the previous video. And this is 30 degrees. And this is 60 degrees. And this is 90 degrees. Now we are doing the same thing. And we are taking with respect to 30 degrees. Now with respect to 30 degrees, opposite is this. Opposite is a by 2. And this is adjacent. Adjacent is root 3 by 2a. And then hypotenuse is a. Based on this, let's get the values of sine. Sine 30 degrees is opposite by hypotenuse. What is opposite? A by 2 divided by a. Let's cancel. You get 1 by 2. Similarly, cos 30 is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is how much? Root 3 by 2a divided by a. We get root of 3 by 2. Similarly, tan 30 degrees is opposite by adjacent. Opposite is a by 2 divided by adjacent is root 3 by 2a, which comes up to 1 by root of 3. Similarly, cosecant 30. What is cosecant 30? Hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse is a divided by opposite is a by 2. It is 2. Secant 30, which is hypotenuse by adjacent, which is 2 by root 3. Similarly, cot 30 is adjacent by hypotenuse, which is root 3 by adjacent is root 3 by 2a divided by a by 2, which comes into 2. This is how we find all the values. See, all these values you have to remember, because next we have all based on this values. Problems based on these values. Now cos 45 degrees is done. 45 done, 60 done, 30 done. Now let's go to 90. 90 degrees. Now if I have a right angle triangle like this, okay? This is A, B, C. Then, now the angle comes here, right? Whenever it is 90, that means this AB will be equal to BC. AB will be equal to BC, which is nothing but adjacent. Adjacent will be equal to opposite. Correct? Now, based on this, we have to take the value. See here, this adjacent will be equal to 0. So, adjacent will be 0. We don't have the adjacent at all. So, based on this, we have to take the value. Similarly, if I take 0 degrees, A, B, C. That means this BC will come here, this completely. So that means this side will be equal to AB will be equal to here. We don't have the values at all here. So based on this, we have to take the values. Now this values, it is given in the textbook, page number 135, I guess. Now the values starting with 0 degrees and 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. If I take first value, sine of 0 is 0. Sine of 30 is 1 by 2. Sine of 45 is 1 by root 2. Sine of 60 is root 3 by 2. Sine of 90 is 1. Next we'll go to cos. Cos of 0 is 1. Cos of 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos of 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos of 60 is 1 by 2. Cos of 90 is 0. If you observe these two values, we said it's the same value which is in the reverse order. Remember that. So you just have to remember the first line. The second line of the cos is exactly the same in the reverse order. Similarly, if I go to tan, tan is nothing but just divide these two. 0 divided by 1, 0. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. You get 1 by root of 3. This divided by this is 1. These two divide, we get root 3. This divided by this is infinity. Similarly, cot. Cot is, again it's a reverse order. The reverse order of this one. Undefined, root of 3, 1, 1 by root 3 and 0. Next comes secant. Let's start with, secant is nothing but reciprocal of this. 1 by 1 is 1. 1 by root 3 by 2, which is 2 by root 3. Next one, 1 by, which gives you root 2. This is 2. This is infinite. Same thing, cosecant is a reciprocal. This is the reciprocal. Okay? All these values are very important. Now, in the next class, we will do the problems based on these values. And students, if you have any kind of doubts, any clarifications on this, we can always talk in the interactive session. Thank you so much. Have a good day.